Yeah. How many ways will create assets in FA? This is a very important question from FA. Through mass additions, direct additions in FA, FBDA template in Fusion, ADFDA template in Fusion. So we can create asset by 4 ways. Now we are going to discuss mass addition process. Okay, mass addition process to create asset in FA. So we can use a different naming or different statements. How to capitalize assets in FA. How to create assets in FA with AP integrations. Okay. So if you see these three are interview question, how to create assets in FA with AP integration, how to capitalize assets in FA, tell me mass addition process to create in FA. So I will explain mass addition process with non-PO based invoice. Okay. So we have the one more concept called PO based invoice asset creation and PO and GRN based asset creation. So now I'm going to explain non-PO based invoice mass addition creation process. When you are going to test this scenario, required setups, AP setup should be there. Then open period in payables. Then we need to have the vendor master data. We can call vendor data. Then FA, all key setups should be done, like a key flex speeds, system control, calendars, carp book data access to business users, category creation, location creation, etc. Let me write mandatory setups, KFFs, asset system control, then calendars, then carp book access to FA user, define depreciation method, define asset categories, define asset locations, then define asset keys. So if you look at here calendars, we have three calendars, like fiscal year calendar, depreciation calendar, prorate calendar. So these are all setups I already explained you as a regular class. Then I am going to show how to process this. These are all steps. So steps to be followed. Okay. So AP. So we should create standard invoice. Okay. Standard invoice, enter header, enter line, enter distribution. So distribution level, you should give the asset clearing account. Asset clearing account. Okay, then validate. Create accounting program with transfer to GL. Run the create a mass addition program. Then, okay, do the prepare source lines in FA, add locations, category, assign asset key. Okay, sorry. Then post mass addition. Okay, verify the reports. Asset got created with the number. Then next you can do manage. Sorry, you can do create accounting program to do accounting. Okay, inquiry the asset. Verify all important information. Check the journal entry. Next, run the standard reports. Oracle provide reports FA. Verify the journal entry in GL with the manage journal page. Run the trial balance. Check the account balances. Right. So these are all steps we need to follow as the integration provided by Oracle company, means Oracle ERP, since EBS 11, EBS Archer and Fusion. This process available in three like ERPs. Right. So I will go to accounts payable module. Go to home page. Go to payables, invoices. So create invoice. Choose the PCC. Yesterday we created vendor master data, Kirloskar. Then I'm taking today's date as the invoice group date. You can take KL002 INR currency. Let me take 5 lakhs as a asset. Okay, missionary purchase without a PO and GRN. So I can keep payment terms simulate. I'm choosing the net 30. So I will go to lines amount. I will go to distribution. Here we require to give asset clearing account. That is important point here. So add row, you can see the yellow color symbol. Once you enter line, then it will become green color. Enter amount. Here, select the asset clearing account 15700. This asset clearing account I already used in the FA module asset category setup level. So you need to give the asset clearing account. Right. Then when you select asset clearing account, you can go and make show all. Here you can see the asset track as asset enabled, important one. Then only it will recognize this distribution line belongs to FA application invoice. So when I select 15700, that account type is the asset, system automatically showing the track as asset enabled. So I can save it. Here we can see that I can save it as a regular, not validated. Not validated invoices will not move to FA. Do validate. Do validate. It will update backend tables, base tables like AP invoices all, AP headers all, AP lines all, distributions as well. Once validated, I can hit the post to ledger. So here I mentioned create accounting program. Here I done the math. So entry, asset clearing as a debit, vendor liability credit. See, Oracle will show, okay, event as a validated, class as item expense liability. So I validated accounted. This is ready to go for FA. Save and close. Entry, let me note down. Asset clearing as a debit, vendor liability credit. So I did not make the payment. So without to make the payment, you can send the invoice asset data to FA. We have the important question. Can I create assets in FA without making the payment? Yes, because of the payment terms. I chosen the net 30. I will make the payment in the next. So I'm keeping as a unpaid status. Later you can pay it. Right? Unpaid. The next, real time. Users will run the create a mass addition from here, or you can schedule the program. Sometimes client will say, we may forget to run every day. Why don't you schedule? So go here, make it advanced option. You can schedule the program every day after business hours or particular times. So I completed here. program. That program you can run from the monitor process also. See, task level you can see. So many students may have the doubt, who will run the mass addition? As per the user's perspective, AP users only will run here. We got this question many times. Who will run this program, like FA team or AP team? AP team will create a mass addition, transfer capital invoice lines to FA. Here also you can see same date and asset book. So refresh it. So when I do the create a mass addition, system automatically initiated create a mass addition report. This is one of the important report to verify as a end user consultant that asset data is moved to FA or not. So I can go and see here. I can easily understand how many invoices I created, how many invoices moved to FA. So you can see company code, your asset clearing account, department, your vendor name, invoice number, amount. So here you can create any currency invoice. Only ledger currency amount only will move to FA as a functional currency. We cannot install the assets other than functional currency in FA. So this asset data move to FA. Then FAT will go to home page. Go to fixed assets. Then we like user having the fixed asset role. Fixed asset roles connect with the having the cargo book access. Then I will go to assets. I will choose my cargo book with my functional currency. I given the PCC India cargo book, but INR was added as a suffix name for book to identify your functional currency. I can see the infolets, additions, adjustment, transfers, retirement, depreciation. So from here also you can do prepare source lines. Then we have the task as well as report. Go here. Then prepare source lines. You can query the asset lines, not yet created in asset, just asset lines we moved in. You can see the new status. Only one line we like transfer. So this line is important for us, not yet installed. Remember, go to actions, edit. Okay, right here, service date, nothing but your install date. We can call date placed in service. Now status is new. We have the top enter question. Tell me asset line statuses like new, delete, book changed is a new option, on hold post. So I want to process the lines to be posted. Before posting, it shows category as a optional, then location as a mandatory, depreciation account is not defaulted. So user will change it to post. Then he will choose the category. He will choose the category. Missionary. So I created already category. Then my asset type is capitalized because my category is the capitalized one. And the combination control later it moved to capitalize. Then when I select the category, when I select the post option, category showing the mandatory. When you select the category, your depreciation account defaulted because the asset category level we enable one checkbox to default depreciation account. In EBS, it will not default entire combination. We have to enter some manual. Then go here. I define the PCC India. Give the asset key. It is optional, but as a key flex field, you can enter. Right. Okay, right. So if you go to financial details, you can see prorate date because of category level. We assign the prorate calendar as a monthly. Life years 10 defaulting from category. Depreciation method. I can go and change it to 20 years also. Means 240 months. So YTD depreciation not yet complete, not yet started. Then source information. As a user, you can understand this asset installed through AP mass addition. If it is not displayed, that might be spreadsheet or a BDA or direct addition. So I transferred from AP to FA, invoice number, batch name, vendor name, clearing account. Then I can go and save it. Once I saved it, okay, I will go to main page. You might be observed incomplete to ready to post. Select this one. Click the postal option. Means post mass addition. So post mass addition can be done two ways. One is from manual here, postal, or you can run the scheduled program. So I'm clicking postal option. Now system will consider post to posted status. So if you see here, prepare source line time, new to post. When I do post to posted. Okay, right. So go to monitor process to check the asset got created or installed, number generated or not. Post mass addition report. User will run the user will verify post mass addition report as a critical to identify how many assets got created. This is automatically run post mass addition report. Post mass addition, I click the postal option. This is the program. This is the report. Go to report. Then here you can see the critical information. Post mass addition. So from where asset number generated and T?
Asset system control.
Excellent. Asset system control. From where this code combination defaulted? Asset cost, department, company code?
Category.
Excellent. Category. So majorly asset cost default from category, number default from system control. Then next, initiate the create accounting program. Assets, task option. Here you don't see any addition because we completed. Create accounting, which is subledger program. Choose your corp book. Your corp book. Okay. You can see the accounting date, final, events, post to GLS, transfer to GLS. Submit. So when you run the create accounting program, system will be generate the entry asset cost debit asset clearing credit. Asset clearing debit in F. Asset clearing debit in AP, credit here. So debit credit will be knock off as a 0 in the then enquiry the asset. Go to task. Anytime you can enquiry asset. You can enquire the asset with book wise, asset number wise, or simple asset types of assets in FA. Go to recent additions, simple, latest asset created 10377. You can see the view accounting here. Go to asset number. You can verify date placed in service, life of the years, asset cost, source lines from where it is defaulted, assignment, depreciation account, cost history. You can see depreciation, we are not at initiated, transaction. So you transferred and you made it additions. Right? So I want to see my journal entry here. Go to view accounting. You can see asset cost as a debit from category, asset clearing as a credit from category, or it is defaulted from AP application. So we just installed capitalize the asset for ready to use. Capitalized asset means today you installed like a missionary computer, you can ready to use from today onwards. That is ready to be depreciated at a month end as a prorate cap. Right. You can see the asset cost, asset clearing account. So as the end user, I want to know this journal entry move to GL or not. You can see the journal batch name, journal entry name. Based on this one, you can search in the GL manage journal page. Then I done the inquiry asset. Next one, run the standard reports. FA user always he will run the important reports. Asset addition report. How many assets I added in the particular month. Asset register. Okay. Asset register. You can run how many assets installed in the particular month. Currency, I told you, right? Always it will take functional. Then take October month. Okay, right. So if you want to like search or as a parameter set a number, type. Okay, here you can submit. Then go to monitor process or scheduled process. This is report. Report always extract the data from base tables. It will show output. I already uploaded one of the critical video. Difference between programs, reports, interfaces. You can watch that video. Then asset register. Go to republish. You can export to PDF, RTF, Excel sheet. Yeah. You can see, but you need to increase the size very, very low. Then you can see the asset information and history. This is defaulted, extracted from the base tables. Next one. Verify the journal entry in GL. Go to general accounting, journals. Then you can see your corp book name. You can go to manage journals. You can search with assets. If you know the batch name, which you copied from the inquiry assets, journal name, you can search it, right? So I created yesterday 1 lakh asset related entry, today 5 lakh. So go here, journal batch name, system automatically assign the batch name by default, description, then journal name, journal category. So it is posted. So from here, we can do the drill down. We have the concept called general drill down to subledger application. That is a new functionality since EVS are. So it will be help the end user perspective to review transaction as a inquiry mode. So I want to know asset number from GL market. Then go to line, go to amount, just click here. It will take you to the subledger application. Even AP also you can do same. AR also, procurement also. This we can call general line drill down facility. So I can see my asset detail minimal with view transaction. This is very important for end user GL for reconciliation and verifications as well. So you can see the all important things, but you can't modify it. So I can see journal entry as a posted status. Then next run the trial balance. Last step. Go to tools. Go to scheduled process. One of the important report in GL. Many times we may get the question, tell me some reports in GL. As a consultant, you should remember trial balance report, account analysis report. So I will run the trial balance report. And you can input the parameter. So my latest open is October. I can see the PTD balances, submit. Right. When you are verifying the trial balance as a consultant, as an end user, we need to concentrate on one important part. So when I open this one, we have to verify asset clearing account. As I said yesterday, asset clearing account should be end of the balance 0. If that balance is showing more, your GL accountant will call to the fixed assets guys. Hey, there is the balance available in FA. Either you did not start accounting, please check it. Do the additions, do the accounting, transfer to GL. Every month we need to do the asset clearing as a ending balance 0. If there is any ending balance is showing other than 0, there is a pending transaction in FA October. So asset cost, machinery I taken 6 lakhs. Yesterday I created 1 lakh worthful amount, today 5 lakhs. So your asset data will be posted in the GL from FA, only functional currency. So you can verify this one and you can check the reconciliations. Right. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts? Right. So thanks for watching the video.